So again, from here, step off the line, press up, slide in, cut the hand, move around, check, cut the elbow, cut the neck. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another from our butterfly sword application dealing with a long pole. But before we get there, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
So, next one, dealing with the overhead strike. From here, I'm going to step off the line as I press up here and trap the blade. I'm going to slide down the pole and cut to do a drum to dislodge the pole. I'm going to move from underneath, I'm going to check, I'm going to cut at the elbow, and then cut the throat. So again, from here, step off the line, press up, slide in, cut the hand, move around, check, cut the elbow, cut the neck. And one more time.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.